Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create 3D logo in Canva. So for this, I am here on canva.com. In the left side, we have elements and you need to search for the symbol you are creating. So I am creating a logo for a bakery. So I will type 3D bakery logo and then go to graphics. Once you go to graphics, here you will find different icons. So let's go with the one that suits you most. So I will go with this one here. Just adjust the size and set it in the corner. Now search for a shadow and go to graphics. Now here choose the shadow wisely. Choose the shadow that looks real. As you can see, place it right below the icon like this. Now let's add a text. So for this I will go to text and go to add a heading. So I will just type our bakery here and then you can change the color. Okay, now to change the color, click on this A on the top, and also you can change the font of the text here. So firstly, let's change the font. Okay, so I will go with this one here. Now change the color of the font. So I will change it to maybe dark brown and then click on change all. White background is not looking good, so let's add a background color here. You can adjust the color which looks good like this. Now to add effects in our text, go to effects and then keep choosing and let's select which one looks good. Okay, so this looks better. And now your 3D logo is created. Now you need to download this page here. So once the image is downloaded, now you need to go to uploads in the left side and then click on upload files. Upload the image that we just created. Let me choose the background white so you get to know what differences I make. Now upload the image here and click on edit image. Now click on remove background and here it will take few seconds to remove. Just wait for a little. And once the background is removed, then your logo is good to deliver to your clients. So a shadow is deleted here. We need to add a shadow again. Go to elements and search for shadow. Choose the same shadow that we just added. And now your 3D logo is just good to go. In this way, you can create 3D logo on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.